You need to surround yourself around people that are rich. Hi guys, welcome back to my video, and you know it's your girl Krysten-Paige, and I'm back with another video. So today guys is a good one because we're talking about investments and why millennials must, should and need to invest right now. So before I get started, if you're new here, hey, what's up? Join the fam. I'll be happy to have you. And for my returning subbies, what's good guys? You know what time it is. We're here for some wealth and some knowledge because we got to make that bread. So we're talking about investments, investing, why millennials. And you don't even have to be a millennial. You can be a baby boomer, Gen Z, everybody. It's not late, it's not too late for you to start now. But before, we have to understand the basics. So what's investing? What's investment? Why should you invest? According to investopedia.com, investing is the act of allocating resources, usually money, with the expectation of generating an income or profit. You can invest in endeavors such as using money to start a business or in assets such as purchasing real estate in hopes of reselling it later at a higher price. So now that we know what's investing, why should you start investing? Because guys, why should you not? Let me just say, I'm not a licensed financial advisor. This is not licensed financial advice. Please go to your licensed financial advisor for all investment decisions, okay? So personally with me, it's important to start investing because you're setting up yourself for the future. Right now, presently, you in the next 2 years, 3 years, once you start your investment journey now, you never know where you'll be and how better off. As I said in this video here, we can't keep doing the same things our parents used to do in terms of saving penny by penny, putting it underneath the bed and expecting that our money will work for us in the future. No, with inflation, the dollar rate is not going to work. So how do we start? The Jamaica Stock Exchange, that's number one. The Jamaica Stock Exchange is where companies in Jamaica list on the exchange. You have the New York Stock Exchange, you have the NASDAQ. I can go into it, but I'm not going to because this is investment basics, right? So you have the main companies that list on the JSE, and you have the junior market companies that list on the JSE. Personally, I've invested on the junior market. I'm not going to tell you the stocks I've invested in, but I've invested in quite a few stocks and it has paid me off better. Like I see where my money went. So it was able to help me pay my car insurance, my fitness, from me investing from now. Now you have to bear in mind that once you start investing, whether on the junior market or main market, you have to know that don't invest more than you can afford to lose, because yes, you can see gains in your portfolio, you can also see losses in your portfolio. Bear that in mind. And when you invest in a company, you're really investing in a stock, their stock. Having a stock in the company is owning a piece of the company. You're part owner of a company. I'm just gonna insert the definition of what a stock is right here. According to investopedia.com, a stock, also known as equity, is a security that represents the ownership of a fraction of a corporation. This entitles the owner of the stock to a proportion of the corporation's asset and profits equal to how much stock they own. Units of the stocks are called shares. So yes, it's part ownership in a company. And I don't want to hear it, Krysten, you're talking about investing. I don't have money for investing. I can't invest. You can invest for as little as $1,000. $1,000. You can start investing for as little as $1,000, right? So what you're going to do? So for people who say, I don't have that, I don't have the money, people because, oh, they think you need so much money. No, you need as little as I thought. What you can do too, you know, like you have a statutory deduction, and you know you have to pay your taxes. So for you can set aside, arrange with your workplace, set aside money that you want to use to fund your investment account. So just talk with your licensed financial advisor. You can do that too, right? You can. So monthly you set aside a set of money, or if you can't afford to do that, you can put each time you get paid monthly, if you can spare $5,000, you put your $5,000 and fund the different stocks that you want. And this is not advice, as I said, but it's best to have a diversified portfolio, because for instance, when one stock is depressed, say your manufacturing stocks depressed, you can look forward to your financial stocks doing better, you know. So think about diversification for it to work. When one is not doing well, your other one is gaining money for you. You have to know how to make your money work, guys. In this big 2022, you have to let your money work for you. Okay, secondly, also you have to set up your equity account, which is different from your regular savings account. Your savings account is the regular money that you save in the bank that inflation come and yam it out. The bank not give you much money for it, right? Yeah, that's your regular savings account. You have your equity account. You put money in that account and that fund the various stocks you would buy on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, right? So you have to open an equity account. Some banks you can open for X amount. You have to have money in the account. Yeah, so just research, go to your bank, ask, you know, how you can open your equity account. Okay, now IPOs, guys. IPOs. Krysten, what is an IPO? According to investopedia.com, an initial public offering refers to the process of offering shares of a private corporation to the public in a new stock issuance. An IPO allows a company to raise capital from public investors. The transition from a private to a public company can be an important time for private investors to fully realize gains from their investment, as it typically includes a share premium for current private investors. Meanwhile, it also allows public investors to participate in the offering. Okay, so guys, IPOs are so crazy right now in the Jamaican market, because I'm not gonna say much, but research and get on it. Research and see why this company is worth investing in. Read the financials, because you don't want to put money in a company that's losing money. That makes no sense for you. So research why you should invest in this particular company. Read the financials. The JSC posts the financials on their website each time a company, or just in general news that you want to hear about your latest stocks, they post that kind of knowledge on the JSC. Read up, you can see the financials. You need to know the difference between the net loss, the net profit, balance sheet, margins, and you need to know those stuff so you can make informed decisions along with your licensed financial advisor, right? So read up on the company's financial. They do things in quarters. Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4 makes up the entire financial year. So you'll have the quarter results coming up. Read up, do your research, your financials. But IPOs, guys, trust me, if you learn about them, I'm not going to say much, but read in between the lines, guys. Read in between the lines. If you're liking the information that I'm throwing down right now, guys, like the video, comment, share. You know, we're all about getting money, making money, getting rich in 2022 and beyond. And anybody can start the investment journey. It doesn't matter how young, old, you can start. Investing is not for one type of generation. Any generation, baby boomer, millennials, Gen Z can start right now. Because if you don't change your mindset on investing and you just hang around people who don't have any ambition, let's call a spade, you're gonna stay stuck. You have to surround yourself with like-minded people and people who want to invest, grow their money, want better for themselves. You need to surround yourself around people that are rich. Even if you aren't there yet, you need to surround yourself around people that are rich, and because their mentality, their mindset will run off on you, forcing you to get rich. And that's what we want. You can't surround yourself with people going nowhere because you forever go nowhere with them. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. I hope you like the video. Like, share, comment on the parts that you like. Tell me what you like about this video. I hope you share. I hope it was informative. Until my next video, guys, deuces, bye.